So what's up, everybody? I'm back. I know it's pretty loud in the back. I'm finally back at the theme park. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge first, since that's something I never experienced and I want to go and try it myself. Pretty sure a nice little instruction back here. Center field. Overall, it's pretty badass experience. Let's go ahead and check it out and go from there. This is I'm back. So we're about to go underneath this bridge and enter Galaxy's Edge. So this is gonna be my first time experience, like first reactions, and see how it goes. I think the music's kind of loud, so it's hard to hear me, but let's see. Wow. So this is Galaxy's Edge. Huh, I wonder what's on that side. So the main thing, I want to go to the ride. It says 20-minute standby, but hopefully it's not longer than that. Oh shoot. Got the man himself. Got my boy Justin right here. It's amazing. Take a good picture. Wow, look at this immersive land. Such beautiful. Makes you feel like you're actually here. So where we're going is Galaxy's Edge, so let's see how long this ride is gonna take. Look at this. Right now that nobody's around, I can actually film all this without having to struggle. Wow. Let me get a high-end view of it. It's so amazing right here.
Here didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detention There they are. Fire! The escape pods just follow us. Hurry! Hurry! No, no, no!
Oh.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is short as a block.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Really like
pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right,
I
Beck?
had to come all the way out here to let you guys know I just got on rides. This is for the first time ever in my life, and so far that ride is so badass. It's crazy how it transitions and crazy how it moves. And then you would think it would just be like any other ride that's connected to like a perfect straight line, but no, this one rotates and does everything it wants freestyle. As you can see, I'm still over here, Taxi's Edge, at the outskirts of it, but I'm slowly gonna make my way back.